Good evening, people. Welcome back to another video. In this video, you can see, yes, it's quite late into the trade, but approximately 3 hours and a half ago, 3 hours and 30 minutes ago, I entered long, simply because price had come down, eventually tapping the 1.236. Let me just clear the chart for you guys. Bosh. I'll even get rid of the old positions and orders. And you can see, zooming out, you can see we have a double 1.236 C wave extension, confluence, double. Okay, so you can see from that move measured down, we have just SFP the 1.236. And zooming in more to the structure of the last leg, same concept, using the same tool, the Fibonacci extension tool, from the high to the low, back to the high, and you can see right here, guys, a double 1.236 confluence. So that's two confluences, but to add even more confluence for an even more A+ setup, you can see from the whole move upwards, the most recent move upwards on the 30-minute time frame, you can see I'm highlighting it here. If you measure that via the Fibonacci retracement tool, you will soon see that we would be getting our third confluence at the 786 level of that whole move. And you can see the green line goes across the double 1.236 confluences, which is specifically the reason why I am currently longing. If I were to turn the position back on, you can see I got alerts around this area, and I saw when I checked my phone, price was dancing around here. I took the chance that price would, you know, get a successful bounce off of the high confluence zone, the zone of interest. Stop loss at the low. Unfortunately, or fortunately, I don't know yet. Guess we'll see by the end of this outcome. I only risked 0.5% instead of the full 1%, out of fear, I guess, just unconfidence. But we're gonna let this one play out overnight, guys. See how high we can go. Stop loss still at the lows at 0.5%, and ideally, I should just target 3RR and just get over with. So yeah, we'll see what happens, guys. Till tomorrow morning. Good morning. Currently the next morning. It is currently 6:41 AM, and you can see I have been stopped out for a small loss. Good thing I did risk 0.5%. Price just tumbling down, hitting the 0.88. I was too focused on the 786. Completely forgot about 0.88. 786 was still valid, but 1.382 targets instead of the 1.236, more common. And you got the 0.88 there, so that's another high confluence zone. Probably too late to enter long, so I'm gonna call it a day.
Guys, what if I just realized, what if I was meant to take it from the whole move, from the very low to the very high, not just that bottom of the leg? It's a rookie mistake, George. I should have taken it from here. You can see we tapped the 786 with the 1.382s. This becomes more A+ and more A+. You can see we tapped it. However, that test wasn't good enough. I hopefully believe we can test it, or even come as low as the 0.88 and the 1.618 from the whole move. I don't really like that, so I'll keep this one. But yeah, should be good. Let's see what happens. Put an SFP line right there. Nice little alert. .88. Nice little alert. 786, I'll put an alert there again, so if we do sweep the lows again and and get back above. Boy, oh boy, would that be a long position, baby. Cool. Now we just wait.
So a couple days later, people, you can see my trading view has decided to bug out. After refreshing it for 2 seconds, you can see we have loaded, and Bitcoin just decided to, how do I say, dump straight past these levels and go and claim the low, which was kind of expected. We are at the top of this move, so a correction is inevitable. Start claiming some lows, but yeah, Bitcoin decided it wanted to create a 5-wave structure, claiming that low again. However, we are trading above, which is kind of a good sign. Could potentially see a pump to the top side. However, this does just kind of look like a dead cat bounce. Maybe the lows can get tested again. That's all if this isn't just a bump and run pattern. Ooh, this could be a pump and run. Bump and run. Could even argue you could get some long positions in there, but yeah, I don't know. We'll just have to see what happens when I can see a clearer A plus setup and I know when to pounce, and that's the only time I'm going to pounce. So yeah. One last thing, guys. This is me trying to, well, this is basically a setup that can happen. Basically, it's a retest of this low that we got below, and now we're back above. So it's basically a massive liquidity sweep. If we get a retest of that low in confluence with some Fibonacci levels from this current move up, such as the 0.5, if we can tap the 0.5 to get back below the line and then start trading back above, maybe do something. This is very hard to predict, but if we could do something like that, tap the 0.5, get back above, retest, start trading above, then that's an entry signal for me. My stop loss at the low, entry signal with the candle close, a confirmed candle closes, and you're targeting more, hopefully a breakout would occur in which we could probably get some targets of, you know, maybe the golden pocket or something, even just the 0.5 again, or nah, that golden pocket. And yeah, that'll be a solid, nice little, that'll be a nice 1 to 4 trade, which wouldn't be too shabby. All I need right now is just a retracement. I've got my alerts set, you better have yours, and yeah, just remember to not do anything whilst you're whilst we are below. Just remember, guys, do not enter any long positions until once we've gotten below it, gotten back above it with confirmed 15-minute candle closes above it, then you know you have a better chance that it will go higher. Just make sure the most important thing is waiting for the 15-minute candle closes, guys. Hopefully you guys can follow this trade, and hopefully it plays out, and hopefully you can catch it. It's been George Snipes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and catch you in the next video. Peace out. Goodbye.